look nothing like road cars, and the engines inside them are just as different. So, how exactly are Formula One engines different from the engines we use every day? Hi, I'm Alan, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And let's get straight to the video. Now, at their core, both Formula One engines and road car engines are internal combustion engines. Fuel is burned inside cylinders, pistons move up and down, a crankshaft rotates, and power is produced. But beyond that basic principle, the design and goals of these engines are completely different. Road car engines are designed for everyday driving. They focus on reliability, comfort, fuel efficiency, and long term use. Formula One engines are designed for one thing only: maximum performance and efficiency in racing. They are pushed to extreme limits to extract as much power as possible from a limited amount of fuel. Modern Formula One cars use 1.6-liter V6 turbocharged hybrid engines. This may sound small, but these engines can produce over 1,000 horsepower when combined with hybrid systems. Road car engines are usually larger, but they produce less power because they are built for smooth, reliable daily driving. Formula One engines use advanced hybrid systems that recover energy from braking and exhaust gases. Road car hybrids also use electric motors, but their main goal is fuel savings rather than outright performance. Formula One engines operate at extremely high RPMs, up to around 15,000 RPM. Most road cars operate below 7,000 RPM. Higher RPM allows for more power, but it also increases stress, which is why Formula One engines are carefully managed and rebuilt. Understanding the differences between Formula One engines and road car engines helps explain why they're designed the way that they are. If you enjoy learning how engines really work, stay tuned for more simple engine breakdowns and comparisons. And if you liked the video, subscribe. And if you have any feedback, drop a comment. Thank you for watching.